In the modern era, aircraft design is a complex process, entrusted to specialized teams and governed by a strict division of tasks. In the past, however, things were different. The figure of the chief designer emerged with greater authority and autonomy, capable of imprinting a personal, often revolutionary direction on the entire development effort. Among the most notable designers of the pioneering era of German aviation stands Richard Vogt, a brilliant and unconventional mind. This is the story of his first project for the aeronautical division of Blohm Voss, then known as Hamburger Flugzeugbau, the Ha 136, a single-seat training monoplane that marked the beginning of his long collaboration with the company. The Ha 136 was a single-seat training monoplane constructed entirely of metal. Its most striking feature was the tubular steel wing spar, which served both as the main load-bearing structure of the wing and as an armored fuel tank. A concept that Vogt would reprise and develop in many of his subsequent designs. Otherwise, the aircraft's design remained relatively conventional. Only 2 prototypes were built, and no production order was placed. With a low wing and fixed tail wheel undercarriage, the aircraft accommodated the pilot in an open cockpit above the rear section of the wing. The fuselage tapered sharply upwards, necessitating a slight bulge on both sides of the cockpit to allow space for the pilot's shoulders. 2 examples were produced, differing mainly in their engines. One was fitted with a Siemens Halske Schau 14, a radial engine producing 160 HP, and the other with an Argus AS-8R inline engine producing 150 HP. The Ha 136 had been conceived as an advanced training aircraft, designed to provide trainees with the same level of difficulty and flight precision as a frontline fighter. On its first flight in the autumn of 1934, a crucial problem emerged: insufficient stability in flight. Vogt attempted to address this on the second prototype by enlarging the tail section, but the adjustments proved insufficient. Testing was therefore halted without positive results, and the competition was ultimately won by the Focke-Wulf FW56, which entered production as an advanced trainer. Although the Ha 136 never entered production, its story illustrates a fundamental principle of aeronautical engineering. No design is perfect on the first attempt. Even brilliant minds such as Richard Vogt had to contend with imperfect prototypes, design flaws, and continuous adjustments, demonstrating how initial failure can be a necessary step on the path to future success.